Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garages videos. This is a Camaro kit versus old versus new. And we're comparing these two 1979 Camaro Z28s. One is a street burner kit that is very, very expensive on the aftermarket now. And this one was made, I'll tell you. This one was produced in 2009. So we're going to take a look at that one. This is the one that is the 3-in-1 kit that is very sought after. Then the next kit, I know everybody's been looking at it and showing it off, but we're going to look at the Stranger Things Camaro Z28 kit. And all of us, we're going to find out if this kit comes with the extra parts that this one comes with, which is killing my curiosity right now. Since I bought this, I had to dig out the other one. So let me get these box tops off and see what we got inside. Okay, so first difference we have here is the body. We have a solid roof on the Stranger Things 79 Camaro Z28, and we have a T-top on the Street Burner 79 Camaro. Uh, did I say Corvette on another one? No, it's Camaro. Okay, sorry guys, too many Chevys. But from what it looks like, the sides. Okay, let's look at the side and the back of this one. So they both look alike, body-wise, just the roof so far. And first sprue we have here. So this is technically custom parts for this one, so can't really compare it to the other one. Or can we? Let's see. We have, why not? Let's just do it. So we have the first sprue of this one, which is a custom hood, custom roll cage and fire extinguisher, and the custom inner wheels. And first sprue for the second one, for the newer kit, we have seat backs, Z28 hood, a nose, and engine parts and wheel parts. Okay, second sprue. This is second sprue for the Street Burner Camaro. We have the engine, the rear bumper, interior pan, yeah, looks like all there. Okay, let's see what we got for this one now. Second sprue, well, for the second one, we have, it looks like identical parts to the other one. We have rear bumper, engine, headers, and, interior. Same there. Alright, so this is exactly the same as the newer kit right here. This is the stock hood and stock nose for the Street Burner Camaro. And here is a new piece, what I see. Okay, we have custom wheels, custom engine parts, and a custom wheel and stock wheels. So we have basically the chrome tree of this one. Let's see if I can get that out now. So we have the chrome tree is basically de-chromed on a new kit, and that would be this. That would be, this is the old version of it, which is the chrome version with the chrome wheels, the chrome engine, and those nice BBS wires with the drag slick wheels. Okay, this is the new kit we're looking at now. We have a chassis, exhaust, suspension, and wheel retainers. Okay, now the next one. We have a chassis, wheel retainers, exhaust, and suspension pieces. Okay. Oh, and here is the other custom piece that was in this one. So let's just see those side by side. See what they did here. So, okay, so we have basically same hood, same intake manifold, same roll bar and fire extinguisher with another hood attached to it. So, if you guys are wondering what the differences are with between these two kits, my comparison right here. My comparison here is the body and the the flat hood it comes with, the non-Z28 hood, is the differences on these kits, plus the unchromed custom pieces that came with it. So, thank you for coming along with my little curiosity trip here of seeing what the differences are between the two Z28s here. And thanks for watching Doug's Model Garage's videos. And I'll be seeing you later. And thank you for your support. And go check out Backstock Garage Box Stock Models YouTube channel, and all those other great YouTube channels out there. All right, guys. See y'all later. All right. Bye.